Around my mouth. Alright. Sriracha. Bing again. By Tyler Rainier. Let me smell it. Ooh, it smells spicy.
Smell like sriracha.
Alright, ready?
Pretty fucking good.
Yeah. Mmm. It's nice and spicy. It's gonna be tough. Woo! Got a little kick at the end. Mmm. These are good.
Vinegary.
Yeah. Make your butthole hurt.
Mm-hmm.
Mmm. Get a little glass of wine afterwards. I'm kidding. Okay. With a waffle? Sriracha.
Really good.
Yeah. Oh, there's Tyler. I like it. I've never had a sriracha pepper either. What do they look like?
It's that stuff to the
Oh, yeah, okay. I was in that movie last night.
Hot sauce.
Okay. It's not Chinese.
Korean.
It's Mexican.
No, it is not.
Sriracha?
It's got like fucking Chinese letters on it.
It's in Mexican restaurants.
Hmm?
The bottle is in Mexican restaurants.
Really?
Yeah, it's that little red hot sauce bottle with the green lid. Red right there. Alright. So far, so good.
I heard this is the most disappointing.
Really? It was the most gone out of the grocery store.
Really?
Karen Weber. Smell good? Whoa, shit. Kind of smells like fart.
Let me rinse this
Yeah,
down.
let me see. Let me get the sriracha out of my mouth. Okay. Here we go. Get one. Ready?
Fart.
Yeah. Got really garlicky.
It's good, but
It's not as good as the chicken and
Good
waffles.
go-to.
I think they just got the flavor wrong.
It definitely tastes like easy garlic bread.
Yeah. Well, look, it's from Land O'Lakes.
Pretty good.
Yeah, once you get a few. Who told you it was disappointing?
Big Man Morning Show.
Oh, yeah.
They bought all three of them that morning and did a taste test.
Well, I'm doing our own.
It's like better the more you eat.
Yeah. Kind of building up the flavor. I say by far, first chip chicken and waffles is the best.
Yeah.
I never thought I'd ever say that, but...
They're all pretty good though.
Okay. Yeah. There you go.